To add Afterpay to PayPal, start by ensuring you have an active PayPal account and an Afterpay account. If you do not have an Afterpay account, sign up for one on the Afterpay website or through the Afterpay app. Once you have both accounts, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the PayPal wallet. In the Wallet section, click on Link a bank or card and then select Credit. On the next screen, you will see a list of available credit options, including Afterpay. Select Afterpay as your payment method and you will be redirected to the Afterpay website. On the Afterpay website, log into your Afterpay account and authorize PayPal to link to your Afterpay account. You will be asked to confirm your identity and agree to the terms and conditions of using Afterpay. With PayPal, after confirming your identity and agreeing to the terms, you will be redirected back to the PayPal website. Your Afterpay account will now be linked to your PayPal account and you can use Afterpay as a payment method when checking out with PayPal. When using Afterpay with PayPal, keep in mind that you will still be subject to Afterpay's terms and conditions, including their payment schedule and late fees. Make sure to review and understand these terms before using Afterpay with PayPal. It is also important to note that not all merchants accept Afterpay through PayPal, so be sure to check with the merchant before attempting to use this payment method. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions, you can easily add Afterpay to your PayPal account and take advantage of the flexibility and convenience it offers.